Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can let CapCut edit for you by using the AutoCut feature, which is on your home page right there on the middle. So select AutoCut and select photos or any videos that you want. I'm just going to select a few photos here and I'm going to select next. It's going to analyze the clips and it's going to basically give me some kind of like videos that I want, I guess, like some effects that I want to add for the photo or videos like this one. You can also replace the music here and select sounds from your sound library or extract a song from a video. I'm just going to leave it like that because you won't be able to hear it anyways. Then you're just going to simply select export, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!